Hello everyone. In this video you will learn about lipid molecule. Lipid is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents such as alcohol, ether and chloroform. Lipid contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but proportion of oxygen is lower than in carbohydrates. There are three types of lipid: triglyceride, phospholipid, and steroid. Triglyceride is composed of glycerol and fatty acids molecule. Fatty acid has R group, which represent for hydrocarbon chain. Triglyceride function is as energy storage. In your syllabus, you need to focus about formation and breakdown of triglyceride. Triglyceride is made up by one glycerol molecule and three fatty acids. Formation of triglyceride is by condensation, which remove three water molecules. Ester linkage is formed. Breakdown of triglyceride is by hydrolysis, which adding three water molecules. Ester linkage is break. One glycerol and three fatty acids are produced. Phospholipid is made up by two fatty acids, one glycerol, one phosphate group, and one choline. Phospholipid has hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. When added to water, they self-assembled. The hydrophobic tails pointing toward center. The hydrophilic heads on the outside. For example, my cell. In cell membrane, phospholipids arranged in bilayer. The hydrophobic tails pointing toward center. The hydrophilic heads on the outside. For example, lecithin, which is found in cell membrane structure and act as semi-permeable barrier. Steroid has four hydrocarbon rings structure with different functional chain. For example, cholesterol. Cholesterol is the precursor to synthesis steroid hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. It is also a component of cell membrane which function to help in maintaining the fluidity of cell membrane. Function of lipid: as energy storage in adipose cells, as component of cell membranes such as phospholipid and cholesterol, for insulation, for protection. For example, wax on the leaves surface prevent dehydration, for buoyancy, and can acting as hormone such as steroid hormone. Both carbohydrates and lipids function as energy storage, but there are some differences. Carbohydrate is short-term energy storage while lipid is long-term energy storage. Carbohydrate dissolved in water, so easier to be transported and used by organism, whereas lipid does not dissolved in water. Lipids store more energy per gram compared to carbohydrates. That's all for lipid molecules. Next lesson, you will learn about proteins molecule.